Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time that you invest in watching these videos of mine. I'd like to let you know that I'm still down visiting my son Toby. Say hello, Toby.
Hello, Toby.
Today we're at Carmel-by-the-Sea here in California. Obviously it's right on the coast, and so we have fog today, but it's a fairly picturesque place, and we're taking you along to see what it's all about. So come on, let's go have some fun. That population sign up there says about 4,100 people live here, and yet there are over 17,000 gift shops. One of the quirky things about Carmel-by-the-Sea is that it has a lot of cobblestone, and as a result, you cannot wear high heels in Carmel unless you have a permit. You have to apply for a permit to wear high heels. There are a lot of very pretty flowers here, though. It's a nice park, as is just about everything here in Carmel, except the affordability. Carmel is known for its fairy tale-like architecture in many of its buildings. Just in case you're thinking about relocating, here are a couple of properties that are available. Note on the bottom the price. Another quirk of Carmel is that for the longest time, and still in a large part of the town, there are no street signs. As you may have noticed, there are a lot of art galleries here. I was in Florence, Italy about 6 months ago, and this statue reminds me of that. I want to thank the people here at Dawson Cole Fine Art for allowing us to show you what they have and for being so kind to us. So these are some of the, quote, fairytale houses. People actually live here. It's a well-known fact that the actor Clint Eastwood used to be the mayor here. It's less well known that he's said it was one of the worst experiences he's ever had. And as a former mayor, I know somewhat of what he's talking. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. I want to thank you for being here. If you liked it, hit the like button and give it a thumbs up. I can always use subscribers, so consider subscribing. And also, we've got something completely different next time, and we will see you next time.